Sanibonani Bagani. My name is Jeanette, aka Gogo Mvuleni wasemanzini. Namhlanje ngizonixoxela about how I discovered and realized ukuthi ngikwazi ukukhuluma nabantu abangasekho emhlabeni, and this is my story.
Sanibonani molweni, welcome to another episode of TVC Gauteng. Igama Zamambo Mkhize, owaziwa ngoZamzogwana Closet on the social streets. Thank you so much for liking, sharing, commenting, and subscribing to the channel. If you are new to the channel, a warm welcome to you. If you are subscribed, please click on that subscribe button. It's absolutely free. Mtasekaya. Don't forget to click on that notification bell so that when we upload our episodes, Amasha, you'll be notified of them. Comments should be respectful. If they are not, sizowa delete. Namhlanje I have a guest who will share with us a story sakhe, which is a gift amazing. Maybe it will be new to abanye abantu, but ngiyazi abantu abaningi seba aware of abantu abafana naye. Njani tani?
I'm good, and you?
Ngiyaphila. Yeah. So please take us through your journey, your realization yakho, because you have an interesting story to tell. So nje take us through the first realization yakho. Yeah.
Okay, yo, yangithusa le ndaba but sengizoyikhuluma ngoba sengila. So I was bengiqeda ukusign a contract. It was around November nge-1 for Essential, ngisebenza Essential corporate, and mangisebenza khona sihamba nge-transport every single day ekuseni 4 a.m. sifuna ukuthi traffic ingasibambi vele yayazi nawe i-freeway njani. And lelo langa man mokuhlukile because I'm used to going there since 2016, but that day mokuhlukile because mokubanda, but it's not usually dark, you know. I don't know, it's because sesijwayele le ndlela. And my mood or things, the way mengakhona mengiphansi. And I'm supposed to be happy because yabona utholi employment, you know. So kule ndlela le sihamba kuyo, it's traffic ening, especially le siyosayodaba papa Alex before udlule Eastgate. It's like very, very tough ukudlula vele straight indlela yakhona. And siyahamba 4 a.m. sengivukile ngo3, usually 3 o'clock ngiyathandaza. 4 a.m. I'm done. Yes, ukuthepha uzosilanda silanda house to house vele. So as we going siyahamba, usually khona le ndawo le sifika kuyo before Eastgate. Ifan Buren masifika lapho njalo man. I've been telling them nase transporting ukuthi man khona lo baba lo ngimbonayo, sometimes nginokumbona koba, sometimes ngimbona vela, sometimes uthi yabo. So moyo tshela umuntu ophambi kwakho, it's like man awuboni zona kumnyama ngisho. So I'm like gogo noma nalolele ukunoma ngihlela phambi kwakho uthengisa amakheke. Ngithi gogo man uyambona lo muntu athi angiboni. So I thought maybe into zami ngizibona, but ngiyibona constantly. Yabo iyalandelela le ndaba, and I'm like hi. So this day I decided to tell the driver, I'm like yo ngicela ningisizeni or yimi ngiyibona ngiyi1. Nambona lo muntu lona bali like abahale. I'm like maybe ngiyasihlanyela ngiphinde futhi before sifika kule ndlela le yokungena ukuthi ijike le enye ithi Eastgate enye ithi straight isi17 khona intabanyana lapha on the corner. This day shuthi akazi uNkulunkulu bakakhona or yini, but siyama sifuna ukubona lento le okhuluma ngayo njalo yini le ngaka, why ukhala njalo ngale ndlela. Masiyehla ngiyabatshela khona lo baba ola yo zama athi ngicela ungikhaphi. Ngithi ungikhaphi, I've never experienced what is this, am I speaking to who, kenzakalani? And athi ngicela ungikhaphi kwami ngashona, and abalungu bami bafuna ukubhadala. So for me it felt like it's concealing evidence or angazi kenzakalani. Ngiyambuza lo baba ngithi ngikaphi. So I'm telling everyone and everyone's looking at me like
uyahlangela khuluma yi1
cha uyagula. And I'm like ngicela ngikhaphe eSunrise. So bangikhapha, imagine sajika like literally on the highway, and it's traffic, it's packed. So kumele siyojika kuphi kule ndlela le phambili ukuthi sibuyele emuva size la elokishini futhi. And luckily at that time I understand, they could have said ayisebenzini thina sijahile or something, a whole 15-seater bankhapha. So we leave ukujika, still it's a mission because in traffic nemoto ezizayo transport iskaksi vele lapha, so khona bahayikayo futhi. So jika kanjani, already there's trucks, there's a lot of barriers. So nami ngiyamtshela, I don't know what told me ukuthi baba ngiyena emotweni ngikhaphi, I don't know. oh, so we leave siyachika la endleleni ngilokhuluma naye, and I'm thinking they think I'm crazy laba, because who am I speaking to, and why is it not making sense to the next person? But it happened. Siyahamba siyangena, so sithathe le ndlela le ngale emuva yeChrisani, because iSunrise uyadlula uthi 28:9 uye ngale emuva, you know. So ngihamba nomuntu ongabonakali basically, and ubonwa yimi. So I'm thinking if I was someone else bengizovela ngithi hayi asimbambisene thele lo, or asimfuneni isibhedlela, or yabo. But bangikhapha safika, and not knowing for me, I was scared ukuthi sothola isituation enjani, number one. Number two, ifamily or whoever somthola lapho, number one, is it the right house na? So masifika lapho thola umntana ngathi maka esikolweni, I think it was around 7 or 6, 6:30 lapho, and it's a bokuyintombazana. And mangifika ngiyamtshela hayi nguJeanette, ngihlala eForsto, ngiphethe ubaba uSibanibani. Phethe ubaba uSibanibani, yeah, kuphi? Ithi ukhona la emotweni, no, bakhona abantu abadala. And then angibheke athi hayi uyamazi lo muntu, ngithi ya ubaba uSibanibani no driver ama-truck. And then she starts crying, ngiyakhala vele, yo thingibiza umama yabo, thingibiza umama, because to them I think they thought ngikhuluma ngomuntu ophilayo, because I didn't mention ukuthi I in spirit or in, yabo. Then avela umama khona, makavela yabo, it's like uyafuna ukubuza, but you know when someone uyathuka, but at the same time ufuna ukwazi the whole story, like why make 18 ngenani, you know. And I'm like ay sizongena mawe, but ngifuna ungizele iglass lamanzi or something, ngizongena ngizofaka lo muntu lo engize naye. Ngimtshela ubaba uSibanibani bekahamba ngetruck so, and ubaba uthi ucela ngimbuyise ekhaya. Now everyone's crying laba, these boys baphuma endlini vele yabo, but yena she's like yeah uphi azongitshela ukuthi ubuyaphi. Ngithi no ushonile. Ushonile, so wena umazelaphi? The question is yaqala, makumazelaphi wena yabo, sekuyi-hostel like yeah kusho izinto yamazi dala ujwala naye yini lento yenzayo nalo baba lo. I'm like no, mina mama ngazi ngizoyi-explaina kanjani the whole thing ukuthi kenzakalani ukuze ngifike la kwakho. But yabo at least besihamba nabantu abadala aba-around, they were able to help me to come across with like umntana like me, bathi uyaboniswa gogo, and silethe umoya walo muntu lo. Ngimtshela umama ngithi hayi bathi useJimston emoshari eso makasaka ngcwatshwe njengephopha, njengoba ngcwatshwe so it's I think around 6 years ago. Uthi ubaba ufuna niyolenda imali zakhe zasemsebenzini nawe ukwazi ulungisa into zakho. Ilapha ayehla kancane sakabiza ini ifamily yakhabo baba, yabo. And then kuze I think babumncane or something explainela hey ngihlale ngimbona lo muntu so njengoba ngimbona so uyangihlupha, and manje emsebenzini namanje ngikhaphe abantu abaye emsebenzini, imagine yabona. So ngiyam-explainela ngicela neJimston so nibatshele ukuthi bafuna ifile so imagine he's telling me these things in the present. So I think his spirits mayifuna ukuya ekhaya, yes mayifuna ukuya ekhaya ukuthi hayi kunini ilana, you know. So mangimtshela umama hayi share amanamba wakho, ifone number yakho, we're late to go to work bese siyajika. And I'm thinking yo transport manje sibhadale sobhadala futhi imali petrol. No, driver it was like it's fine.
Okay.
Hayi bona iyenzakala namhlanje beyiqala ukwenzeka, even if it's like ngi-explain to someone else like imi yangithusa ukuthi babe patient kangaka bazehlisa. Sesajika semsebenzini I think kudlule I think 2 weeks, but working that day it was a lot of tension. I'm thinking as long as izinto sorted sidlulisile, and after lapha noma ngiya emsebenzini mengasaboni yabo nase transporting so kakhulu lo muntu uyaboniswa inini yabo. But because mina umuntu ofuna nguThomas I wanted validation or something ababuye bazongitshela
ukuthi kuhambe kanjani,
and yini lento engihamba nayo, you know. Let me try and explain it kimi. So I wanted affirmation ukuthi lo muntu momkhapha kenza so they called me I think it was 2 weeks later. Phone baba umncane hey simtholile umngcwabo next week yo yeah.
And that time sekangcwatshwe government job usebangcwabeza phopha,
They have to go now bayovula umgodi alandwe.
okay.
I think there was a turning moment for me to realize ukuthi yo I'm not crazy, you know, I'm not crazy, and it made sense ngalesa sikhathi lesa to know someone believes and sees ukuthi bamtholile, you know, bamtholile. So they're like iphi indumba yakho
Okay.
I'm like, I don't know how to explain it. And I have to go now and tell people that you know? And they're like, sifuna ukubonga ngoba simtholile nasemsebenzini isidumbu sitholile simone nangesicathulo because obviously he was already
So bekusele ne-evidence kusele isicathulo sakhe.
yeah and bahambile bamthola and they were able to do the fruit of that up. So to me it meant a lot to know ukuthi I did something, so I didn't want money from it because I didn't know ukuthi
Yeah,
what's going on. So it was very life-changing, but at the same time, it's someone's death.
Yeah.
It's someone's soul.
Yeah.
If family was ukuphi, and I was able to give it
Closure to your family.
Yeah. So we get there. The next day, they sent me money. I won't disclose how much though.
Yeah. I'm sure imali eningi. You don't often get disclosed. But whoever with 200 dollars, I'm saying it's 200. So yindodla neyindodla.
It wasn't that much.
Yeah.
But I think after that reappearance, Yellow Baba, I started seeing other spirits, seeing other people. That I'd see instances of someone saying, tapping me. Would I beg a move? There's something coming through. Or I'd see someone saying, can you pass down the message? So I had a lot of experiences in Jalo where people would say Skapi or people that were missing. So it happened so often where do I have a gift? What is it? I'm not crazy. So I had to go see a psychologist for like 6 months. And I'm like, maybe schizophrenia or...
So the psychologist were Gumlung?
Yes.
Did they believe that you have a gift?
No. I'm speaking to dead people and ghosts.
So it's a thing that you need help. Yeah.
It was bad because they don't know how to diagnose you. And they're giving you all this medication for depression, ADHD. I've never had bipolar. Me, and here these things are happening where we are 17 and it's unexplainable. And no one knows. So I didn't know how to respond, to say, here's this white man speaking to me that's a doctor, and I'm seeing his grandfather that's a doctor, and you diagnosing me. You know? So it was very hard at that time, because when you tell someone who's like highway it doesn't make sense. I think for me now, I didn't know how to address it or how to put it out there, but that family believed me. Labantu Basatransport didn't believe me, and I couldn't believe myself. That was the main thing. It was challenging for me. Still is. Like, wow.
No, it totally makes sense. And vele, hey, uchavu ndendlela zakhe zokusebenza, because I'm thinking if bengilapho kuleyo transport bengiyosho ngicabanga umsebenzi ukuthi hey mamela la sisi, I don't have time to waste. But because that was the first realization yokuthi you have a gift yokukhuluma nabantu abangasekho. You know, and you need
it sounds weird.
Yeah, you need a validation.
I did,
and you got a validation, but still you are still questioning it, because it's like, will it ever get to a point lang believer corner na? You know, uguti alone. But yeah, right? Yeah, because it never gets to a point where you get satisfied. Uguti, this is my gift.
You're doing it.
You know, and yeah, no, I'm glad uguti you shared this story, because normally when we associate mediums siba beka ebalungwini, you know,
yes.
Kunaba belungu. Iwesma umuntu omnyama uhlale kaslami, like I know you like that.
You know me.
And you like uphuzile, like kwenzakalani wehlanga yeah uJeanette mazi sigroova sonke, and then masakazokhuluma manje. But it totally makes sense, and I'm glad you shared this story. So yazini angifuni usisi aqhubeke, because this journey of hers iyaqhubeka, you know, to other stories. So this was her first story, sharing ukuthi urealize kanjani ukuthi uyakwazi ukukhuluma nabantu abangasekho emhlabeni, and sisazombuyisa futhi for other stories azosixoxela zona of ama encounters wakhe ahlangabezane nawo. I personally have an encounter with her, but obviously I will not share it, because kuzoba ngathi because when we are mazi, but there's people you know abamaziyo, and if you've experienced uJeanette mhlawumbe and you have something to share on the comments, kindly leave your comment. Remember what it should be respectful. If not, delete her. If you would like to get in touch with her, share my number, you know, because she now operates as a medium. you know,
Yeah.
about other things azenzayo because akusi media kuphela, but uzaku-explainela. So kindly share your details ukuthi utholakala kuphi on social media and
Okay,
number yakho.
so yeah, I am Gogo Mvuleni Wasemanzini on all social media platforms, YouTube, TikTok, Facebook. My number is 072 875 0915. 072 875 0915. And it's strictly for business, it's strictly for healing. When you get to WhatsApp, it's also the same number. Can we just use it for the right reasons? And yeah, basically, I'm based at Vosloorus at the Burger Yard. I take bookings, walk-ins. Just say hi on WhatsApp and get to the point, and then we'll take it from there. So my lesson above all is to believe in your gift, believe in what you're seeing. For anyone going through spiritual alignment without understanding and what's going on, don't give up. Find answers, research. Make sure you find what's necessary for you. And also don't forget to find mental health. It's important for you to go to, even at a clinic, book yourself for a psychologist. But before you go anywhere, you are not crazy. You might be going through the same thing that I went through, but because there were people who believed in me, I believe in you. So you should also do the same for yourself.